If you have something to hide, one day it will come out. And the day it come out, it can be an ugly thing that nobody wants to see. Even your partner is not ready for it. I can only defend you on what I know. What I don't know, I can't defend you on. And that is the reason why, if you are in a relationship, build trust. I know the Bible says we should not trust each other, right? We should trust only God. But if you can try to trust the people, you will be very, very secure, much more than you are hiding things from them. One of the easiest way to keep a relationship, never to break, is to trust the person. Who is this lady you are talking to? She's my friend. Give me, let me talk to her. But you don't have to talk. Give me, let me talk to her. Just give her, let her talk. In fact, if you are wise, carry her one day and bring to a lady. This is the lady. Oh. So, okay, is it you? Say, yes, it's me. Just know that I'm here. You hug her there. Say, I'm here. But many of you, how many men are married today that, sincerely speaking, their wives have no idea of the association they keep? Female association. I may not be talking about male association, because always, all the time, all these things you call cheating and cheating start long time ago. The day you find out may actually be years ahead. When the person is already looking at somebody, you may not even know. Like I told you, every of these things start as friendship. As easy as it is to keep normal friends, it's actually graduate. I told you the stages in this stage. You start from friendship. Every relationship, I'm telling you, that you are seeing that you call relationship, actually has friendship in it. That person you call a friend has the ability to actually make your relationship or your marriage to even fail. Because if the friendship or the relationship is not defined, you cannot really understand what to expect. And that's the reason why I told you last week, define any relationship. Don't assume. Always make it defined. So that by the time it's defined, now you are starting from your own side. If you are starting from your own side, you can be free to say anything you want to say. And that is, upon that standpoint, you must be able to realize, if you meet somebody, you say, this is just my friend. That's good, we understand. Just friend, Abi? Yes. Some people, you call them best friends. My problem with most of you is that your best friends are actually guys. Bestie. Imagine a lady in a relationship having another bestie, and the bestie is as fine as Apostle. Are you not in trouble? How can you be in a relationship as a guy, your bestie is a lady? What is the color of your problem? You have not spoken to your lady for at least 5 minutes in a day. You have spoken to your bestie for 1 hour. What are you talking? You don't even understand. Are you doing a business deal? Are you doing tutorial? Even your girl, she also needs tutorial, but you are doing tutorial for your bestie. What's the color of your problem? Go and marry your bestie. Most people end up double dating with their bestie. We are just bestie. We are just friends. Tell yourself the truth. Are you just friends? To me, unfaithfulness is nothing but finding sober companionship in another person. So in the day you have a little disagreement with your oga or with your madam, you now call your bestie. Look at what he did to me. Look at, and I say, you see, that's why I told you. What are you even doing with this stupid man? You are already cheating. You are already unfaithful. That's the truth. Because very soon that thing will break, and you will find yourself in the arms of your bestie. It's a simple truth. So anytime she introduces and says, this is my bestie, look at, say, bestie, from today, go and find a man like you. Be careful here. If the lady come, if the guy come and tell you, this is my bestie, tell him, Oga, you better leave this lady now. That is the truth. I don't like talking to ladies. So me, I like to talk to guys. What is the color of your problem? Do you know what we are talking? We are talking about serious matter here. Stop coming between people. See, let me tell you, if you are too attached to anybody you call a bestie that is an opposite sex, it's a clear sign that you need to marry fast, because you are actually in the season. It's the truth. Why do you need somebody always to be there and you know that that person is in a relationship, please help yourself out. It's a different if the person is not in a relationship. Yes, something can come out from that. I get my point now. But when the person is already fully with someone, you know that you are actually integrating something, because very soon you are going to snatch this person away. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Lack of trust, and that bestie, the person did not know about it, and now you are keeping the person. Sooner or later, things have gone wrong. So please and please, trust each other. When you trust each other, do you know you can even tell your fiancé that, or your fiancé, I'm beginning to like this person. Oh, do you know that? There was a time I was in love. Everything I tell the lady, like a mumu person, everything I tell her. That kind of thing will never happen again in my life. And the lady tell me everything happened. No, it's the truth. You should be able to be that open. Most of you can't even talk to the person you are planning to marry. You can't talk. If they put you here like this, you can't even talk. It's a problem. I don't know which vision brought you there, but that vision is very long. Because it's a very long journey. A very long journey, you should be able to enjoy the conversation. I get to the point now. Talk about everything. Be open to each other. To a point where I'm telling you the truth, you can literally carry each other's phone and go away. If any lady call, she should be able to be proud enough that you defended her. If any guy call, he should be proud enough that you should defend him. That if a guy come to you now and say, hey, I saw you like a rainbow, I saw you like the star, I saw you like the sun, I saw you like the moon, that's good. When he's done talking, tell him, see, do you know so person? I'm about to get married to him. I love him so much with my kidney, my lungs, my liver, my intestine. There's no any organ I can give you. Simple. Say, I have only one heart, I have given it away. If the person say, give me kidney, say, I have 2 kidneys, I have given all the 2 away. But many of you are in a relationship. Yet again, the person is asking, you are still wondering, the vision is not too clear. The truth is that we need to be sincere to ourselves. Lack of trust is a very big issue. That relationship will always break because you can't trust each other. Can you trust her with your friends? Can you trust her? Can you trust him with your friends? Nothing is happening. If nothing is happening, tell us now. Tell me, show me the chat. Why can't me and you sit and let her talk? Let's talk all together here. Lack of trust. And the thing is that you think you are wise. Guys will play you. Play this one, play that one. And even the ladies too will play the guys. I was dating one lady one time and I realized that I'm number 5. But do you know how long it took me to remember? To realize it's an Igbo lady. Then in school. Took time and I realized I was 5 in the line. No wonder I was waiting for so long. I used to wonder why they keep us. They even choose the day that you will see them. Because everybody must be well arranged. You are a manager of your own bank. That bank will crash. Double dating is wrong. Being in a double standard relationship is not good. It's one of the reasons why you will break. It's lack of trust. You don't trust this guy, so you are going here, going here, going here. Only you have many. I don't trust this one. I don't trust this one. I don't. So you gather peradventure. This one fail. This one fail. All of them will fail. Put all your energy. This one is not, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Put all in one basket. In fact, and swallow the basket so that you can be moving with it inside of your stomach. Another reason is comparison. Comparison. Many people, I'm telling you the truth, compare themselves with others. Even the Bible says they that compare themselves with themselves are not wise. Many relationships, many marriage fail because of comparison. Stop comparing people. I'm telling you, it's very bad. It's Very, very bad. And this is one of the reasons why anytime you just end a relationship, it's dangerous to start another one, because you will compare that person with another person. You must be able to know that people are different. People are not the same. I have told close to maybe 7 since in my life, since I was wise, about 7 ladies that I told you, many of you have promised lady you love them plenty. So me, I think I have made that kind of crazy confession about close to 7 times.